Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your ID by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all. You can find the list of the chapters. We can start with the chapter problem solving and estimation. The lessons we're going to cover today are estimate to solve word problems, multi-step word problems, guess and check word problems, use Venn diagram to solve problems. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 7 math. Let's just start with the chapter that is problem solving and estimation. Let's just start with the first lesson that is estimate to solve word problems. Okay, let's just start with the example. A candy factory makes 738 pieces of candy each day. About how many pieces of candy will the factory make in 59 days? Choose the better estimate. You have to estimate the answer, right? That is 738 pieces of candy each day, right? You have to see, you have to find how many candies they make in 59 days. So you have to round off both the numbers first, right? 738 is rounded off to 70 and 759 is rounded off to 60. So 6 times 7 is 42. That is 42,000 candies is the better estimate. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. A company owns two factory farms that have a total of 867 hens. There are 392 hens at the first farm. About how many hens are at the second farm? Choose the better estimate. You have to find the total hens are 867, right? And on one of the form you have 392. You need to find on the other one. You have to round off. First you need to round them off and then you have to find the answer. 867 is rounded off to 900 and 392 is rounded off to 400. So that means the estimated answer is 500. On the second form, there is estimated hens are 500. The correct option is 500. Got it? Option number correct option. That is 500. A teacher has $324 to buy a workbook. If each workbook costs $8, how many workbook can the teacher buy? So the teacher has the total amount 324, right? And she has each book cost $8. You have to see how many books she can. You need to find the estimated answer, right? You can round this number off to 3, and 320 divided by 8 is 40. That means she can buy 40 workbooks. The correct option is 40. The correct option is 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. A card factory puts 91 greeting cards in each box. About how many greeting cards will there be in 7,282 boxes? Choose the better estimate. So, which is the correct option? 91 and 7,282. So 7,282 is rounded off to 7,000 and 91 to 90. So that is 7 times 9 is 63. Estimated 3,000 option. Got it? The correct option is option number 2. There are 40 houses for a sale in a new neighborhood. Each house cost $2,698. About how much would it cost to buy all 47 houses? Choose the better estimate. So, which is the option? You have to est- round off both the numbers first, right? Here you have 52,698. It would be rounded off to 50,000. Here you have 47 houses. You can round it off to 50. 5 times 5 is 25. That is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it. The correct option is option number 1. Last year, a total of 67,796 passengers landed at Weston's Airport. About, however, only 48,841 had on time arrivals. About how many passengers did not have on time arrivals at Weston's Airport last year? So you have to estimate the answer. These are the total passengers. These are the ones who landed at the time. You have to find on time. You have to find the one that did not have landed on they do not have on time arrival, right? So 67,968 is rounded off to 70,000 and is rounded off to 5,000. So that means 20,000 do not have on time arrival. The correct option is 20,000. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? A treasure hunter discovered a buried treasure chest. She opened it up and discovered that it contained 231 diamonds and 851 rubies. About how many gems were in the chest? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is that's option number one is the correct option. 1100 correct option. Johnson's Accounting wants to buy 7,696 chocolate truffles for a party. If there are four truffles in each box, about how many boxes of truffles should the company buy? Okay, so you have to estimate the numbers. Here is 7,696. That would be rounded off to, sorry, 70,000, right? And you have to divide it by the 5. You can divide it by the 4 also. 4 times 1 is 4. But you can round off 70,696 to 80,000. 80,000 divided by 4 is 20,000. So the correct option is option number 2, that 80,000. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? 1. Oh, you have moved to 72,000. Sorry. So yes, the correct option is 18,000. Okay, got it. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Let it just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multi-step word problems. Let's just with the next lesson. Pedro wants to ride the bumper car 2 times and Ferris wheel 4 times. It costs 2 tickets to ride the bumper car and 3 tickets to ride the Ferris wheel. How many tickets does Pedro need? You need to find the total tickets he want, right? He want to do the bumper ride 2 times, right? And the bumper ticket costs 2 tickets. So that means 2 times 2. And he want to do Ferris wheel 4 times and the Ferris wheel ticket cost 3 tickets. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. That means the total tickets he have 16 tickets. He must buy 16 tickets to do 2 times the bumper car and 4 times the Ferris. Got it? The correct option is 16. Let's just start with the test question. Basically, you have more than one step involved in these questions. Dakota bought Dakota bought 6 books about plants and 2 books about fish. She also bought 6 science magazines. Each book cost $18 and each magazine cost $16. Okay, so 6 books of plants and 2 books about fish. That means he bought 8 books, right? And he bought 6 magazines. The cost of the book is $18. So replace the B by 18. 18 times B times. The price of one book is $18. And the price of the magazine is $5. So let's just replace by 5. 6 times 5 is 3 and 18 times 8 is 144. So just add them together, they make $174. So option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? That is $174. Ezra and Leah already had 10 shells in their shell collection. Then they went to the beach to collect even more. Okay, they went to the beach to collect even more. Ezra found 3 lead shells and 12 sand dollars and 3 ounce shells, crown shells. Leah found 13 more shells than Ezra did. How many shells do the pair have altogether? 10 in their collection, right? 3 limpet, 12 sand dollars, and 3 conch shells, right? Leah have 13 more shells than Ezra. Okay, they already have 10, right? So they already have 10 shells. Ezra found 3 limpet shell, 12 sand dollars, and okay, they already have 10. Now Ezra found 3 limpet shells, 12 sand dollars, 3 conch shells, that is 15, 16, 17, 18. Leah found 13 more than Ezra. Ezra has 18 and 13 more means she have 31. They already have 10. Have are 10 that already they have 18 that's Ezra have and 31 that to add them. The correct option is 59 shells. That means they have in total 59 shells. The correct option is 59. The correct option is 59. Option number 1 is the correct option. There are 19 students in the third grade and twice the number in the fourth grade. There are 19 boys and 10 girls in the second grade. How many students are in grade altogether? You have to calculate the total students, right? So in grade 3, they have 19 students, right? Grade 3, you have 19 and twice that the number in grade 4. So that means in grade 4, you have 19 times 2. That is 38. Okay, there are 19 boys and 10 girls in grade 2. So 19 plus 10 means 29. How many students in grade 2 through grade 4? You have total students you need to find. 19 plus 38 plus 29. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 86 students. That means the total students through grade 3 to 4 is 86 students. The correct option is 86. Hilda always takes the same route when she walk her dog. First, she walk 9 blocks. She walk 9 blocks to the park. Then she walk 8 blocks to the elementary school. Finally, she walks 7 blocks to get back home. Hilda walks her dog 2 times each day. Okay, so first time that is 19 and 8, 17. 24, and she do that 2 times, so that means 2 times 24 equals 48, so that means she can do 48 blocks daily. The correct option is 48. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is guess and check word problems. Let's just start with the lesson. A chef got 7 bag of onions. The red onions came in the bag of 4 and the yellow onions came in the bag of 9. If the chef got total of 48 onions, how many bags of each type onion did he get? So which is the correct option? Okay. The chef got 7 in total, right? You can say 6 plus 1 is 7. That means you have 6 bags of onion and 1 bag of yellow onion. 6 bag of red onion and 1 bag of yellow onion. Now, in the bag of onion, you have 4 onions, so just do 4 times 9. And in the bag of red onion, you have yellow onion, you have 9. So 1 times 9. Let's see if together they make. Together they make 48 onions. Let's just solve and see. They make 33 onions. This isn't the correct option, right? So 1 plus 6 is 7. You have 1 bag for red onion and 6 bags for yellow. Let's just put the value and multiply. They have 58. This is not the correct option, right? Then you have 3 plus 4. So red onion cost, in the bag of red onion you have 4, and in the bag of yellow onion you have 9. So together they make 48. That means your chef got 3 bags of red onion and 4 bags of yellow. Okay, let's just start with the test question, right? Caroline has 4 bags of beads. Some of the bags contain 7 yellow beads and the rest contain 5 white beads. If Caroline has 22 beads in all, how many bags of each color bead does Caroline have? Okay, you can use the options given, right? Okay, the first option is 1 bag of yellow bead and 3 because the total bags are 4, right? So bag of yellow beads plus 3 bags of and 3 bags of white beads, right? Some of the bags contain 7 yellow, 1 times 7, and 5 white, 3 times 5, 7, and 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 plus 7 is 22. So that is the correct option is 1. You have bag of yellow beads and 3 bags of white beads. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1, that is 1 bag of yellow beads and 3 bags of white beads. Option number 1 is the correct option. Calais unpacked 38 kilograms of apricot and banana. The apricot came in 4 kilograms bag and banana came in 6 kilogram bags. In all, Kelly unpacked 8 bags of fruit, right? So let's suppose 5 bags of apricot and 3 bags of banana. Whether you have to make 38. So apricot came in 4 kilograms, so that means 5 times 4, and banana came in 6 kilograms, 3 times 6. So let's see if they make 38. 20 plus 18. Yes, together they make 38. So that means the correct option is option number 1. There must be 5 bags of apricot and 3 bags of banana, right? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? A gym owner has some teal weight and some red weight. The teal weight are 1 kilogram each and the red weight is 9 kilogram each. The owner has 8 weights and they weigh 48 kilograms in all. How many of each color weight does he have? So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That is three teal weights and five red weights. Option number two is the correct option. Got it? A team from the high school went on a science and math quiz show. The science questions were worth 8 points and the math questions were worth 1 point. The team answered a total of 5 questions and earned 19 points. How many questions the team answered in each category? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2. There are 2 science questions and 3 math questions. Option number 2 is the correct option. A plumber bought some pieces of copper and plastic pipe. Each piece of copper pipe was 2 meter long and each piece of plastic pipe was 5 meter long. He bought 6 pieces of pipe. The total length of the pipe was 15 meter. How many pieces of each type of pipe did the plumber buy? So, which is the correct option? That is, which is the correct option? The option number 1 is the correct option. There are 5 pieces of copper pipe and 1 piece of plastic pipe. Option number 1 is the correct option. Hannah bought 4 rainbow and balloon stickers for her little sister. The rainbow ticket cost 8 cents a piece and the balloon stickers cost 9 cents a piece. If Hannah exactly spent 33 cents, how many of each type of sticker she buy? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 rainbow stickers and 1 balloon sticker. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sean bought boxes of thank you cards and get well cards. The thank you cards came in a box of 5 and get well card came in a box of 6. Sean bought 9 boxes and a total of 50 cards. How many boxes of the each type of card did he buy? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 boxes of thank you card and 5 boxes of get well cards, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is use Venn diagram to solve problems. Okay, let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, you have 5 of the students in the martial class like to play hockey, right? 5 of them like to play hockey only. 5 students like to play volleyball, and 2 students like to play both hockey and volleyball. How many students like to play hockey or volleyball both? Here is the hockey one, and here is the one. Hockey, which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 students. The correct option is 8. Option 1 is the correct option, right? How? Let me just explain. 5 of the students in Carmen's grade like cheetah, and 6 of them like jaguar, right? Here is 5 and here is 6. 3 of the students like both, right? So out of 3 like both, so here you have 2, and 6 out of 3, so here you have 3. You have to find the total, that is 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8. So the total students are 8. So the correct option is 8 students. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Basically, this is the common one, right? So if these 3 are also included. So the correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. Got it. Of the student in Ezra's class, 5 have been on an helicopter, 8 students have been on ferry. 3 of the students have been on both, right? So out of 5 here you have 2, and out of 8 here you have 5. Students have been on ferry, not on helicopter. So only 5 of them have been on ferry, but not on helicopter. The correct option is 5. Of the students in Brody's class, 4 have been on band, 5 have been on choir. 2 students have been on both band and in choir. How many students have been in band but not in choir? So which is the correct option? The correct option is 2 students. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. Chapter we were working on is problem solving, and the lessons we have covered today are estimate to solve word problems, multi-step word problems, guess and check word problems, use Venn diagrams to solve word problems. So please make sure you have your notebook, and so you have to complete all the lessons. You have to complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions that have just finished, you can all of if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today.